Welcome to our comprehensive review of SparkPool, a leading mining pool in the cryptocurrency ecosystem. Whether you're an experienced miner or just stepping into the world of crypto, SparkPool is known for its robust infrastructure and intuitive platform, making it a trusted choice for mining enthusiasts worldwide. SparkPool supports Ethereum mining and offers detailed real-time statistics, ensuring miners can track their performance and earnings with precision. One of the standout features of SparkPool is its competitive payout system, allowing users to maximize their mining rewards. The platform provides advanced tools to optimize your mining process, including customizable dashboards and performance analysis features. Its reliability has made it a top choice among miners who prioritize stable connections and transparent payouts. Getting started with SparkPool is straightforward. The platform offers a seamless onboarding process, guiding users through setup configurations. Whether you're operating an individual rig or part of a larger mining operation, SparkPool accommodates various scales of mining efforts. Their user-friendly interface ensures that even beginners can navigate the system effortlessly. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Additionally, SparkPool supports a decentralized approach to mining, ensuring greater security and reduced risks of centralization. The team behind SparkPool consistently updates the platform to align with the evolving demands of blockchain networks, ensuring miners always have access to the latest innovations. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into SparkPool's fee structure, performance tracking tools, and mining strategies. Learn how to optimize your configurations for maximum efficiency, and get insights into why SparkPool remains a favorite in the mining community. Whether you're looking to enhance your mining profits or explore a reliable platform, SparkPool delivers. If you're ready to take your mining to the next level, SparkPool could be your ultimate partner in the crypto world. Don't miss out on their competitive rewards and cutting-edge technology. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more expert insights on cryptocurrency platforms and tools.